Hi everyone, I'm Kay from Happy Trails Hiking and you're watching the Minute to Win It Health Challenge. Matt and I figured out several years ago that in order to travel, hike, and see the things that we wanted to see, we had to be in good shape. And part of that was getting our food under control. In this series, we'll be going over quick tips to help you win against your health challenges. Do you have that busy lifestyle that you're driving around, just grab whatever you can, keep your stomach from growling, and then you regret it? At our house, we like to eat, and we're pretty good cooks. So we did that a lot. We decided that it was time to start tracking what we were eating instead of just putting food in our mouths and hoping that the exercise would be enough. Does that happen at your house? So that's our quick tip for today. Track your calories, or at least your food, so you know how much you're taking in. If you don't know how much you're eating, and you're just mindlessly putting in food, then you won't know how much you need to burn, or why you're gaining weight, or not losing weight. What is your strategy for tracking your food? Put that in the comments for me. Hopefully you've enjoyed our Minute to Win It Health Challenge. Until next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.